Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add data protection in Google Sheet. First, open the Google Sheet you want to protect. Next, go to the top menu and click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the Data menu, select Protect Sheet and Ranges. A new panel will open on the right side of your screen. In this panel, click on Add a Sheet or Range. Here you can choose the specific sheet or cell range you want to protect. After selecting the range, right-click and go to View More Column option. Then click on Protect Range. After that, click on Set Permission. You can now choose who is allowed to edit the protected range. For example, you can restrict editing to yourself or allow access to specific people. Once you have set the permission, click Done. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.